Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to check your Facebook login device. Let's get started. At first, open the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on three-dot line. Now tap on Settings. Now tap on Password and Security. Again tap on Password and Security. Now scroll down. Now tap on Where you are logged in. Now select the profile. See. Here is your all login history. By this process, you can easily check your Facebook login history. Thanks for watching.